Here's the thermostat. This is very good to save energy and money. We all like that. And this runs through Z-Wave. Anytime you hear the word Z-Wave, that's home automation with the exception of cameras. The cameras run through your Wi-Fi network, but lighting control, thermostats, door locks, you'll hear that term in the industry over and over again called Z-Wave.
Garage doors.
Garage doors, and
Lines.
this is run through Z-Wave. The front pops off up top, and that's all the auxiliary lines that you would hook up to your auxiliary for the existing AC unit. And this pops off, and you just pop in the batteries, do come with it. Duracell. There you go. We've got power. You can run on batteries alone, but always hook it up to the main power supply. Okay? Now, before we pair this with Z-Wave, again a Z-Wave, you're not going to activate this or pair this with the unit like we did the sensors. This is run through Z-Wave. Security, menu, toolbox. Back up one again to install a toolbox. System configuration, go to 7.9. There we go. When you hit go to in programming, go to 7.9, it says Z-Wave features. We want to enable on panel, and we also want, there we go, enable on panel, and we want it to remote access enable, so you'll be able to control it with your phone, okay? Then we have to usually go in there a second time and set up the thermostat. Now you go to services, Z-Wave, and then you hit this little guy in the corner. Then you go to add devices. Now it's looking, discovering, almost like Bluetooth on your cell phone, okay? There it goes. Now you're going to hit menu, and it says mate blinking. You hit mate and mode at the same time, and then you're in. It puts it discover and go. Querying device information. This takes about 30 seconds to 45 seconds for it to configure everything. There you go. Radio Thermostat Company, General Thermostat V2. That's it. You can remove the device if you want to remove it. You go add device. Now we could do light switches, lighting, door locks, things like that. And that's how you program a thermostat.